Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So my name is Agnet. I do mostly travel content, and I am now doing home living. If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe to my channel. It gives me motivation when there are more people coming on board, and it just makes me feel like it's worth it. You guys are manipulating motivation, so if you tell a friend to tell a friend and have them come on board, I'll really appreciate that. So we are on the road to 2K subscribers. I need 500 more people to jump on board as we continue growing this beautiful channel of ours. So yeah, love you a minute. Definitely done a better job than I would have. But yeah, the room is all clean and sorted. So is the other room as well. That has been spread. The house is clean.
Next day.
Good morning. Today is Friday. I think last I was on camera was Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. The whole of yesterday I spent it in bed because I wasn't feeling too well. I fell sick on Wednesday, had to rush to hospital yesterday early morning, and then I spent my day just recuperating, and now I'm feeling much better. So I want to have some breakfast, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's even here. Yes, boiled egg and bacon. Perfect. Thank you. Yes, don't worry, don't stress. Actually, leave for me one. Thank you. So as I was saying, I want to have breakfast as I sit and bask in the sun because I literally didn't leave the house yesterday. Yeah, have breakfast as I watch some YouTube, and then I shower, pack because we are leaving today, so I have quite the trip today. Yeah, probably we'll bring you along, or maybe we'll speak tomorrow. I have no idea, but the one thing I want to do is probably flash everything, and then I can show you what the place looks like. I would highly recommend, if you're ever in Eldoret, do come to Blueberry Villas if you need a place to stay. It's basically like a B&B of sorts, but with the hotel vibe, because you get all the benefits of our hotel. You can cook, but their food is equally good. I don't know that I fell sick from their food, but yeah, the food was good. Day one, I loved the chicken wings. I loved the steak. They do very good food. But yeah, so hopefully I'll get to show you around before we leave. If not, you might just have to come and see it and check it out for yourself. So yeah, I'm just glad I'm feeling much better today. Alright, bye.
Several days later.
Some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'm
Another day, another vlog. Last I left you off in Eldoret, I was not able to film the rest of the villas, or rather the rest of the property. There are a couple of things that happened and I'm just exhausted. Now I just want to cook. My kitchen is in a mess, so I want to sort it out. It's just one of those things, and I just don't have the energy. But if I don't do it, I won't do it, and I can't keep procrastinating because I have a lot of things that need to be done. So cue the montage. I don't know whether I should laugh or cry, but this is quite literally a whole 24 hours plus later since you last saw me when we were cooking maini. That I finished cooking, ate, slept, didn't vlog. The next day, which was yesterday, I went to see my nieces and ended up spending time with my sisters. Went to, what's the name of this place? Went to Rundamo, and I found really nice products. I should have shown you. They're in my room, so I'll probably show you some other time. If you follow me on Instagram, you wouldn't miss a bit, but yeah, I'm failing on vlogging, but it's fine. And do some unboxing that I'm pretty excited about. More house items. I'm in my home vlogging era, I guess. I'm now moving and transitioning from a travel vlogger to now a lifestyle creator. So yeah, help me unbox the package that you probably saw me pushing the other day around. Yeah, it's been like that for a week now, and it's time to stop being lazy. So let's get right into it without further ado. Let me stop yapping. Let's go unbox. So one of the things I needed, what was this? Baby. Some mattress covers and hand towels. I intend to have a housewarming with just family and close friends soon. So, excuse me, the hand towels will come in handy. I got them in navy blue, white, and this grayish, bluish, I don't know what color this is, color, right? So there's that, and then some mattress cover for the beds, and then yeah, I needed a proper ice cream scoop because I have another one. Lakini, this was thrifted. I don't really like the color of the handle. I wish it was a different color, so this works just fine. So I had to get another one. Come out here. Because finally I have mats for my table. I didn't have this, so at least now my table will look a little bit more presentable when we have guests. This is what took us back to the shop. I needed somewhere to place bread, so this will come in handy. Then what was this? Let's get the smaller. Then I got some lovely decorative glass pieces. I guess it's not really decorative, but cutesy leaf-like plates. I don't know what else you call it. They have some feeling hapa nyuma. There come as a set of 6, I believe. I'll wash them, put them away. Like nice for when you need somewhere to put dessert. And then here is things I didn't have, which is hot pots. My skin is looking darker than usual. Anyway, I guess it's the lighting. You bear with me. Come on, let me turn off the lights in a second. Is that any better? Or you know what, guys, this out. Let's do this last hot pot unboxing on the table. Come with me. Much better. Ish. Better-ish. We have these 2 cute bowls, serving bowls. Look at the detailing. I love it, including on the lid. So I have 4 of this. Oh, actually no, I have 4. So 4, 4, 8. Then there's the tiny one. How cute. Oh, this felt like there were 2, but it's just 2. So 3 of each, so I have 6. I got the salt shaker from them as well. Literally looks like it's a whole set. Salad bowl. So that is what my table would look like when I have guests, and of course the plates. Let me put them out so we see what they look like. But now I'm beginning to think I played myself with the color of the mats. That's in sawa. Let's see what they look like. I'm trying to lay the mat like an imekata, so maybe you get the gist of it. So if I was to open it, that's how it looks. But because it's been folded for so long, it can't sit still. And then of course have the plate on top. Let me bring a plate. Where? See, you sit nicely. I'm trying to show my peeps what it would look like, something like that. That's what it will look like with plates. Let me bring a plate. I have my busybody plate. That one feels like a bit too much is going on. And then this one that would match perfectly with that set. What do you think? So that's that. That is what it will look like. Fork and knife here. Yada yada yada, all the nice stuff. So that's it from me today. I want to do some house cleaning. I put away the dishes, wash the dishes I have used, look for something to watch, look for something to do. That's about it. See ya. Hi there, today is Saturday. I'm in my bathroom. I want to attempt to do my makeup as I'm going for my friend's birthday. I'm not the best at doing makeup, that's why I barely do makeup, because yeah, I'm just a beginner. Let's try and see what the outcome will be. Don't mind this too crazy hairs of mine that are just hanging, but yeah, I'll try and bring you along. I call her my cousin from my mother's side because something happened that made us bond to the point we felt like family. And it's only right that there are just some friends who you tend to just be close with. The chosen family on this earth. We barely get to choose our family, but then friends are the chosen family you get to keep. So it's only right that I make the effort to try and show up, because I haven't seen her in a year, I think, or more than a year. I'm not sure how long I've not seen them, but it's been a minute. So I will attempt to do a slight face bit. So that bit is done. I hope Plazikai cousins also bought this beauty blenders from Miniso, if you can see them. Let's just unbox them, because the one I had was chafu. It's embarrassing. I've not washed it. I'll get around to washing it. But I also bought this one from Miniso a while back. That's embarrassing to show you people. But it's how I have new ones, so this is what we will use. Because I do know if I don't. Made a simple. Of late I'm drawn to the color pink. I know if I don't use clean blenders, I'll get an infection. Let me get the other. So when I make up in a car wait, but it's so that's about it. Let me put this device to charge if I'm going to bring you along, or I'll just vlog on my phone. I think it's easier to vlog on my phone because it brings less attention. But yeah, that's the final look. I'll rather just show you before I leave. Gotta go.